Metros like Bangalore face tremendous problems in handling garbage generated from domestic houses. Did you know that Bangalore produces around 3,000 tons of garbage every day? Garbage piled up everywhere, irrespective of the locality. What is it that is being dumped by Bangaloreans? Plastic bags, Tetra packs, cartons, paper, diapers, and sanitary pads. We do not give this any thought. We simply use, we simply throw. Who is dumping all this? It's actually you, me, and all of us. Look at this young girl. What is it that she's got in the plastic bag? You guessed it right. It is a used sanitary pad. Oh no! She is walking away calmly, without any botheration whatsoever. Did you know that more than 90% of the disposable sanitary napkins are made of polymer derivatives and chemicals? Plastic materials do not biodegrade. They disintegrate over time and simply merge with soil and water. Imagine our children and grandchildren will drink the same water and eat vegetables grown from this soil. We have to stop this. It is essential to make the public aware of the consequences of irresponsible disposal of sanitary pads. Unless we take reformative measures, this might result in the extinction of life itself. Well, what is sanitary napkin made of? Have you ever given it a thought? Have a look. Plastic wrapper. Release paper to allow you stick it on the panty. A non-woven fabric to give it a dry feel. A mixture of bleached cellulose and gel. A plastic layer to make it leak-proof.
Do you know that a woman throws away 125 to 150 kgs of sanitary napkins during her lifetime? A non-biodegradable sanitary napkin takes about 500 to 800 years to decompose.
Our dependence on nature is so great that we cannot continue to live without protecting the Earth's environmental resources. Public awareness can play a vital role in environmental management. Individuals who are not conscious of their responsibilities and those who do not have adequate knowledge about disposal are causing all this damage. Look at her. She threw a sanitary pad under a tree. This has a serious impact. Scientists have been warning us for decades. This pollution of air, water, and soil is leading to disease and death. In this scenario, what is the solution? Sanitary pads, diapers, bandages, earbuds, etc. are called as bio-waste. Segregate them. Throw them separately. Remember the 3 R's? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. New methods of menstrual protection are available. Try multiple use sanitary pads or even menstrual cups. Hey, why did you change your mind? Please throw it in the dustbin. Throwing it in the toilet will clog our drainage system and contaminate the water resources. Simply change your lifestyle and mindset. The situation will improve if each and every one of us begin to take responsible action in our daily lives. Can you see how difficult this lady's work is? After all, she is a human being. We cannot expect government alone to manage and safeguard the environment. Can we presume that others will prevent environmental damage? No, we need to do it ourselves.
Nodidrala, how common people just like you and me throw away sanitary napkins anywhere and everywhere. Nam parisarana nave hal madadu sarina? There's a growing mountain of sanitary napkins around us. How fair is this?
Once we realize the need for protecting our Mother Earth, we ourselves will preserve our atmosphere. Our individual effort is far more important than any law or ruling.